Hello and welcome to all in tutorial 3 of 3D NS software. Today in this video we are going to see sculpting of 3D molecular canvas. To sculpt the molecular canvas using mouse, click on the particular voxel to remove it. You can see this is the easiest way to remove any voxel. Now if you have to delete the multiple voxels, you use the advanced option button from the top panel. If you have to delete the plane, click on the button on advanced panel. Here I am going to delete the X plane which is coordinated at 0. You can see that plane is deleted. Now to delete the multiple rows or column, select the delete row button from the advanced panel. Select axis and enter the coordinates. You can see that particular row is deleted. Okay, thank you.